There are many fishing reel products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best fishing reels from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 15. Big Game Fishing Reel. Rating 4.4. When the surf gets rough, your reel has to work harder. Built for serious saltwater anglers, the BG Surf Fishing Reel features an all-metal aluminum alloy frame engineered for strength, durability, and dependable performance in demanding coastal conditions. Salt, sand, and long sessions on the water are no problem. This reel is made to stay smooth, reliable, and ready for cast after cast. Its advanced carbon fiber drag system delivers up to 44 pounds of smooth stopping power, giving you the control you need when the fight gets serious. The magnetic casting control system helps improve accuracy, reduce backlash, and keep every cast clean, controlled, and consistent. An extra-large spool gives you the line capacity needed for long-distance casting and chasing fish farther offshore. And with its oversized ergonomic anti-slip handle, you get comfort, confidence, and better control during every long day on the water. Built for distance. Built for power. Built for the surf. Visit now and experience the BG Surf Fishing Reel. Number 14. Houghton Fishing Reel. Rating 4.4. When water hits hard, performance matters even more. Built for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, this reel features a sealed structure engineered to keep out water, sand, and unwanted debris. Sealed rings, gaskets, protective coatings, and precision materials work together to maintain smooth, reliable performance in demanding fishing conditions. Its corrosion-resistant design includes double-sealed waterproof ball bearings, a zinc drive gear, and stainless steel and brass pinion components for lasting saltwater durability. Tested to withstand harsh marine environments, this reel delivers the confidence serious anglers need every time they head offshore. Precision cut with Hame and 40 gear technology, it reduces internal clearance for smoother operation, better control, and a more responsive feel during the fight. Backlash-free bearings provide cleaner rotation, smoother retrieves, and greater comfort every time you turn the handle. Finished with a removable double-bearing metal handle and silver-purple gradient oxidation, it combines performance with premium style. Visit now and upgrade your next fishing trip. Number 13. Daiwa Crossfire Fishing Reel. Rating 4.4. Every cast starts with smooth control. Engineered with air-drive design, this spinning reel delivers effortless rotation with reduced resistance for a lighter, smoother fishing experience. From the first cast to the final retrieve, every movement feels balanced, responsive, and built for precision. Its tough digigear construction provides long-lasting durability, consistent power, and smooth gear performance when it matters most. The LCABS spool improves line flow for cleaner casts, fewer interruptions, and greater casting distance with every release. With the ATD Type L drag system, you get smoother drag pressure and better control when the fight gets intense. Lightweight, reliable, and easy to use, this reel gives anglers of every skill level the confidence to fish harder and longer. Smooth, powerful, ready for every cast. Visit now and experience the difference. Number 12. Fish Drops Fishing Reel. Rating 4.4. Smooth performance changes everything. The Fish Drop spinning reel is built for anglers who want smooth operation, reliable control, and confident performance on every trip. With 12+1 high-rated ball bearings, a one-way clutch system, and anti-reverse technology, every retrieve feels cleaner, faster, and more responsive. Multiple high-speed gear ratios deliver smooth power and dependable performance, whether you are casting from shore, boat, river, or lake. Its CNC-machined aluminum spool with carved honeycomb design reduces weight while improving balance, keeping the reel light and comfortable in hand. A newly engineered industrial nylon body, stainless main shaft, precision brass gear, and oversized bail create the strength anglers can depend on. The superior drag system delivers up to 22 pounds of stopping power, giving you greater control when the pressure builds. Built for every water, ready for every cast. Visit now and fish with confidence. Number 11. Sugalong Fishing Reel. Rating 4.4. Power matters when the fight begins. The Sugalong spinning reel is built to deliver strength, control, and dependable performance wherever the water takes you. Precision brass gears, a hardened metal main shaft, and triple-disc carbon drag washers work together to create smooth power and lasting durability. Its superior drag system delivers a powerful stopping force, giving you the control you need when aggressive fish push hard. A precision-machined pinion gear and perfectly meshed drive gear provide stronger hook sets, cleaner retrieves, and confident fish fighting performance. The hollow frame design and computer-balanced construction reduce weight while keeping the reel comfortable during long days on the water. With a CNC-machined aluminum handle that switches left or right, it gives anglers flexibility, comfort, and control every cast. Built for power. Ready anywhere. Visit now and fish with confidence. Number 10. Summer Fishing Reel. Rating 4.4. Smooth control starts with every turn. This spinning reel is built to deliver smooth performance, lightweight comfort, and dependable control for every freshwater fishing trip. With 12 precision ball bearings and an instant stop, one-way anti-reverse system, every retrieve feels cleaner, quieter, and more responsive. The anti-reverse switch keeps your motion controlled and consistent, helping you stay focused when every second matters. Its advanced line-laying oscillation system and 5.1 to 1 gear ratio improve line flow for smooth casting and steady retrieves. The CNC-machined hollow metal spool reduces weight to just 7.8 ounces, giving you easier handling and greater comfort through long sessions. A foldable handle, non-slip ABS grip, and interchangeable left or right rocker arm make it easy to match your style on the water. Lightweight, smooth, ready to fish. Visit now and make every cast count. Number 9. Sugalong Fishing Reel. Rating 4.4. Power feels different when it stays smooth. The Sugalong spinning reel is built to deliver lightweight control, smooth retrieves, and dependable stopping power for every fishing adventure. Its superior drag system delivers up to 20 pounds of fighting power, giving you the confidence to stay in control when the pressure rises. A sealed carbon drag system keeps drag washers protected and dry for more consistent performance during every fight. With 3+1 shielded stainless steel ball bearings, every crank feels smoother, quieter, and more responsive from cast to retrieve. The CNC-machined aluminum spool and hollow frame design reduce weight while maintaining strength for long days on the water. High-strength brass gears, aluminum main gears, and a precision-machined handle with EVA grip deliver powerful handling and lasting durability. Built for every water. Ready for every fight. Visit now and fish with confidence. Number 8. Spincast Fishing Reel. Rating 4.5. Fast response makes every cast count. The Cast King Brutus Spincast Reel is built for quick line pickup, smooth retrieves, and reliable performance every time you hit the water. Its stainless steel dual pickup system grabs slack line fast, helping you stay ready to set the hook or make the next cast without hesitation. With a 4.0 to 1 gear ratio, the line comes back faster, so you spend less time waiting and more time fishing. When fish charge toward you, the high-speed retrieve helps eliminate slack and keeps you connected through the fight. 5 double-shielded stainless steel ball bearings deliver smooth, quiet performance from cast to retrieve. The reversible aluminum double paddle handle with durable rubber grips quickly switches left or right to match your fishing style. Pre-spooled and ready to fish. Visit now and make every cast count. Number 7. Cast King Centrin and Centrin Fishing Reel. Rating 4.5. Smooth power defines every cast. The Cast King Centrin spinning reel is built for ultra-smooth performance, strong stopping power, and precision control on every fishing trip. Its superior drag system delivers up to 17.5 pounds of stopping power, giving you confidence when the fight gets intense. A CNC-machined aluminum spool provides a lighter, stronger build with even line lay and improved casting performance. Inside, 9 high-quality ball bearings and an instant stop anti-reverse system ensure ultra-smooth rotation with every turn of the handle. A hardened metal main shaft, precision-machined pinion gear, and perfect mesh drive system deliver reliable fish-fighting strength. Its narrow graphite frame and computer-balanced design keep the reel lightweight, stable, and comfortable for long fishing sessions. Smooth, strong, built to perform. Visit now and upgrade your fishing experience. Number 6. Colorful Fishing Reel. Rating 4.5. Built for anglers who demand more from every cast. The Sugalong LY series spinning reel combines power, speed, comfort, and control for a smoother and more confident fishing experience. With a lightweight yet strong graphite frame and hollow body design, it reduces fatigue while maintaining strength for long fishing sessions. Its aircraft-grade aluminum spool and computer-balanced system deliver longer, more accurate casts with improved control. Inside, precision brass gears, a hardened metal main shaft, and triple-disc carbon drag washers provide strong and reliable fish-fighting power. A 5.2-to-1 gear ratio with perfect mesh drive and precision-machined pinion gear ensures smooth, responsive performance every time. With 13 corrosion-resistant ball bearings and an instant stop anti-reverse system, every retrieve feels ultra-smooth and controlled. Smooth, strong, built for every angler. Visit now and upgrade your fishing game. Number 5. HICC 50 Fishing Reel. Rating 4.5. Lightweight power changes the way you fish. This featherlight baitcasting reel is built with ultralight graphite and aerospace-grade aluminum, giving you all-day comfort without sacrificing strength. Weighing as low as just 4.7 ounces, it delivers smooth control, fast response, and a more effortless fishing experience. A high-speed 7.1-to-1 gear ratio combined with double-shielded 10+1 stainless steel bearings ensures silky smooth, consistent performance every time. The smart drag clicker system detects line tension changes and produces an audible click, helping you never miss a strike while adding excitement to every catch. An advanced magnetic braking system provides controlled casting with reduced backlash, delivering precision in both freshwater and saltwater conditions. Built with sturdy aluminum gears, a carbon fiber drag system, and reinforced aluminum main shaft, it offers long-lasting durability and stable performance. Lightweight, smart, built for precision. Visit now and take your fishing to the next level. Number 4. Piscifin Carbon Fishing Reels. Rating 4.6. Lightweight design makes every moment on the water easier. The Piscifin Carbon X spinning reel is crafted with an all-carbon fiber body, rotor, and side plate, making it one of the lightest reels in its class. At just 5.1 ounces in size 500, it reduces wrist fatigue, so you can fish longer and stay focused on every cast. Its powerful drag system delivers up to 33 pounds of stopping power, giving you control when trophy fish make their run. 3 oversized carbon washers and a sealed design protect the drag system from water and dust for consistent, reliable performance. With 10+1 shielded stainless steel ball bearings, every retrieve feels silky smooth, stable, and corrosion-resistant. A lightning-fast 6.2-to-1 gear ratio delivers quick response, while a 5.2-to-1 option in the 1000 model gives controlled finesse when needed. Light, smooth, built for serious anglers. Visit now and experience the Carbon X difference. Number 3. Cast King Brutus Fishing Reels. Rating 4.6. Reliable performance starts with the right reel. The Cast King Brutus spinning reel is built for exceptional value, smooth casting, and dependable performance for all freshwater fishing species. Available in multiple sizes from 2,000 to 5,000, It gives anglers the flexibility to match any fishing style or target species. Its lightweight graphite frame and rotor reduce fatigue while maintaining strength for long hours on the water. An aircraft-grade aluminum spool delivers smoother line flow, longer casts, and improved accuracy with every throw. Inside, a zinc alloy main gear, brass pinion gear, and steel main shaft provide durability, strength, and low-noise operation. With 4 key-position ball bearings and an instant anti-reverse system, every hook set feels fast, clean, and responsive.
Smooth.
Reliable.
Built to last.
Visit now and fish with confidence. Number 2. Blaze Baitcasting Fishing Reels. Rating 4.7. Lightweight power built for serious anglers. The Lethal Blaze low-profile baitcasting reel delivers smooth performance, high-speed control, and all-day comfort for freshwater and inshore fishing. Weighing only 7 ounces, its glass fiber-infused nylon frame provides strength and rigidity while reducing fatigue during long fishing sessions. A powerful drag system delivers up to 15.4 pounds of stopping power, giving you control for bass, trout, walleye, and more. The 7.3:1 high-speed gear ratio enables fast lure retrieval, making it ideal for pitching, flipping, and reaction bait fishing. Precision-machined brass and manganese brass gears ensure smooth torque, durability, and long-lasting performance in demanding conditions. An 11-setting magnetic braking system improves casting distance, reduces backlash, and keeps every cast under control.
Light. Fast.
Built to perform. Visit now and upgrade your fishing game. Number 1. Ultra Smooth Fishing Reels. Rating 4.8. Power and control in every cast. The Cast King Lethal Blaze spinning reel is built for strong drag performance, smooth retrieval, and dependable control in both freshwater and light inshore fishing. Depending on size, it delivers up to 17.6 pounds to 26.5 pounds of maximum drag, giving anglers the strength to handle bigger fish with confidence. A balanced 5.2:1 gear ratio ensures smooth cranking and efficient line retrieval across multiple fishing techniques. Inside, a precision-machined zinc alloy main gear, brass pinion gear, and 5+1 double-shielded stainless steel bearings deliver long-lasting, smooth performance. The lightweight glass fiber-infused nylon frame provides strength without extra weight, reducing fatigue during long fishing sessions. A CNC-machined aluminum spool and foldable handle with EVA grips offer durability, smooth casting, and a secure non-slip hold. Strong.
Smooth.
Ready for every fight. Visit now and fish with confidence. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.